Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last two videos, I just show you how to create admin page, and when we log in, I just show you how to create this home page. So if you don't seen that video, just go to the description and check out. And I'm also created the library management system quick overview of this project, so you can also check out in description. So in this video, I'm going to create for the new student. When we click on new student, it will open a new form, and that having 4 to 5 fields, and that will go to and stored in our MySQL database. So let's start. First, we need to create a JFrame here, JFrame, and we renaming that JFrame as new student. Okay, and click on finish. After that, we are resizing to 700 to 450. Click on OK. Just close this. We need platters here. Now we need labels here. Level 1, level 2. We are going to write for the student ID first. ID, and the second one is for name, and third level for here edit text, father name, and next level for, oh sorry, it's just script changes, father name. Okay, so the next one is for course name, and the last one is we are taking branch name. Okay, now for every these labels we need text fields and combo box here. One text field, second one, third, and here we need combo box here, and at last we also need a combo box, sorry, checkbox. We need combo box here. Okay, now edit text here, remove this all, remove edit text. Okay, after that we are going to increase the size to the 200. Same, here we need two buttons here. The first one is for the save, and the another one is for close this form. Save, and another button for the text here, close this form. Okay, now we need to change this. Here we have to write here we have to write, I delete this, and here we have to write btech dot h. We are writing okay, btech, where we are only one option here. Click on close. Here we are also selecting different btech branch. Okay, so CSE, IT, mechanical, civil. Okay, click on OK, close. Now we are putting here image icons here. and we're also increasing the size of this, bolding 14 and all. And we need icon here. We're also changing the color of this. Okay, click on OK and selecting icon. Import to the project, desktop. If you need this icon, just go to the description and check out the link. Okay, and we need to save icon. Click on OK, finish. Okay, just close this. And we also need to change this. We are changing the bold text type 14, changing the color to the this one. Okay, and we also need icon, so we already have. So here we can directly search trademark, click on OK, close. Now it look good. So we are also changing the color of this in single time properties. Okay. Single time properties. Here we are changing the color of this to this. Click on OK. We are also increasing the size of this, bold 14. Click on OK. You can see that the size of this three fields has been changed. We are also going to change this. Click on properties, changing the background color to this. Click on OK. 14 bold 14. OK, close. Now we are also changing the size of this fields to the same as OK. Click on properties and simple bold 14. OK. Now you can see that our form has been created. Now we need an image and the background, so click on set layout. We have to change to the absolute layout. Okay, now let's change this to absolute. Check out. Yeah, here you can see that. Now we need a label here. Just put a label here. I click on properties, and here you need to search for the here is the icon, and just we need to import an image to this. That one is 1 2 3 4, the background of this part. Click on OK, close, and just put on this image and just remove this label name from here. Now you can see that our front end has been completed. Now we have to create a table for this student. Okay, so let me correct first. 1 2 3 4 5 6, my password is. Now we have to create a database. I'm naming it as LMS, Library Management System. Okay, so we have to create table. Create table student, and we need fields here. So first field is for student ID, varchar. Here we are writing 10, and ID should be unique and should not contain null. So we are writing a primary key. After that we are name varchar. Here we are writing to varchar should be in 100 words. So after that, father name var also setting to 100, and course name varchar 20, and branch name var 20. sorry, we are not selected the database LMS. Okay, after that we are going to write the same code. Here you can see that. Let's see the description of our student table. Here you can see that student ID, name, father's name, and all that. That this one is primary. So this is all about. I just created a database. Now we have to create a connection to our database. So first we need to do is, first we need to create a package here. We are naming that package to the project, naming that package project, and we creating a class inside this package, Java class connection provider. Okay, connection provider. Okay, click on finish, and in this we are going to write the code for the connection. So before writing the connection, first we need library to add library. It already having MySQL driver, so just add to this in our library. Oh, this one is added in our library. Now we have to write a public method here, static connection get con here. We need to import first, import java.sql. Always import our after the package name, so that's why it's showing error. This one is also showing error because this one's showing for the return. So let me write, after that it will error has been removed. Okay, so try catch. We are writing a catch exception. Okay, after it we have to write the class dot for name. Here we have to write the driver form dot mysql link jdbc dot driver. Okay, after that we have to create a connection con equals to driver manager dot get connection here, and here we have to write the URL first. So for my JDBC MySQL localhost host 3306. Okay, after that we have to write the database name, library management system LMS, and after that we have to write the default. Here we are writing the default username of my database. Here we have to write the password of this. Here you can see that our connection has been completed. Now we have to return con here. Now let me write for this. So ISTM system println. Here we are printing the exception, and here we are also return null if connection not created. So here you can see that our code has been completed for the connection provider. Now we have to write the codes in new student here. Now we have to move to the source page. Okay, so here we have to write the code for the, when we click on this button save, so click on event action performed. Okay, now right here we have to write a string. First we are taking a student ID here, student ID dot j text field 1 dot get text here. Okay, after that we have to take string name here from jtext field 2. Okay, dot get text here, string father name, name, we have to text field here 3 dot get text. Okay, after that we have to write here string course name jtext. Here we are taking from combo box, so here we have to write a string j combo box 1 dot get selected item. Okay, just click on this and same as write this for the next line, but we are changing here from 1 to 2 and goes to branch. Here we are writing branch. Okay, so in this way we are creating an string variables, and for every string we are taking field data. Okay, here we are writing exception. Okay, now we are writing codes for this. Before writing codes, first we need to import. So let me import java.sql string. So after that we have to import project dot connection provider and close this. And here we have to write the codes for this. Connection con equals to connection provider dot get con. Okay, after that we have to create the statement st equals to con dot create statement. Okay, after that we have to execute a statement st dot execute update. We are changing in our database, so here we are writing update. So we have to insert into student values. Here we have to write the values. Okay, so in this way first we are writing here student id, and second we are writing here name. After name we have to write the father name. After that we have to write course name, at the end we have to write the branch name. Okay, now after writing this we also need to give a message to the admin that option dot show, it's showing option pan dot show message dialog. Here writing null, and here we are writing successfully updated. Okay, now we also have to set the visibles, so we also have to refresh that page. So here we are writing set visibles. Here we have to write false, and we also have to send to the same page. So here we are writing send new student dot show dot set visible true. Okay, and here we are also writing the same 3 lines of the code in catch. If something went wrong due to some unwanted reasons, or student ID is already in database, so here we are writing error message for that. Student ID already exists. So this is our programming part. Let me run this part. Click on run. Here you can see that here we are writing ID 1, naming Gaurav Kumar and Rosmi Kumar, and here we can select the branch. I'm searching IT, selecting IT. When we click on save, successfully updated. Okay, so click on OK. It will take you can see refresh that page. Let me see the data. So here we have to write select star from student. Okay, click on. Here you can see that data has been inserted in our database. So let me start from the login. Admin. Oh, I actually not connected this button to that frame. So let me connect this. Where is home page. Here we have to move to the right click on new student, event, action performed. Okay. Here we are writing here set is we have to write new name of that frame student dot set visible true. Okay, now after when we run this file, click on new student, you can see that our form, but we don't need this navigator sorry, we don't need this mix or mine button. Okay, and we also don't need this uh, buttons. So just check, remove this, and it should be open in the center, so that we are going to write the codes here. So let me write the codes. Click on this, just go to the properties. Here we are going to set it for location. Here we just need to checkbox, just click on undecoded. Okay, and we have to set the location here. Let me search, not set location. Here you can see that location. Here we have to write for the x-axis 325, and for the y-axis we are writing 125, so that it will open, then it will open in our center. Okay, so make it as same. Now let me run from the home. When we click, and we also not coded for the close button. Let me write for the close. Click on event, action performs. Here just we have to write for the set visible false. Okay, now we are going to run this code from home. Here you can see that when we click on new student, then this close and max or mean button has been removed, and this form has been open in our preferred size where we are entering. So let me insert again Sumit Kumar, Anil Kumar. Okay, and we are selecting here for the civil and click on save. Successfully updated, and when it automatically close. When we click on close, it will closed. Okay, when we click on logout, it will out. So in next video, I'm going to show you about new book, that how I just created this new book part. When we click on it, it also going to create a new form here, and new book has been stored in our database. So stay tuned with us. I hope you guys like this video. So please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.